Do it again. Zerbert the table. Zerbert the table. You need to get a good seal on that, Zerbert. You're not quite there. Don't one hand. Be careful. Right, Mom? Go. Ah. Do it again. Zerbert the table. Oh, don't double hand that. Oh. No. Right here. Oh no, he's fallen.
I'll Zerbert the table. I'll Zerbert your knee.
Do Zerbert for him. Do it for Mommy. Do Zerbert. It's making all kinds of noises. Do it. That's my son. That's my son. Do one more. He's coming down. He's coming down. Zerbert.
Could you go? Could you come back this way? Yeah, he was laughing at you, Sean. Oh, you got that paper. Good job.
I'm wrong. You're lower than dirt. You're an ant. Let this be a lesson to all you ants. Ideas are very dangerous things. You are mindless, soil-shopping losers. Put on this earth to serve us. You're wrong. Ants are not meant to say grasshopper.
Poor baby.
I've seen these ants do great things. And year after year, they somehow manage to pick food for themselves and you. So who is the weaker species?